Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about in my house. Okay, so today we will practice. Uh, we will describe in my house things. Okay, you can practice easily every day. This is a natural English. Okay, this is not a vocabulary. This is not a grammar books, and this is not you learn grammar. Directly you can learn in this house. There are more things at your house, so every day you can describe. There are more things, so today video it is related in these things. Okay, so let's start today's video. So I am, so everyone, this is a wall. Okay, and that is a watch, and I am showing the TV turn on now, and my daughter watching cartoon videos, and I am showing uh, this is a curtain, so the curtain is hanging on the window. Okay, and now I am showing here and there, and this is a bar drop, and this is a clothes hanging on the clothes, I don't know khunti. Okay, so this is a almira, and we can say bar drop, you don't doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go out, and this is my first room, and this is my second room. So there are more things. Everyone house you can describe every day, and you can practice easily, and uh, okay, so this is my this is a tent house of my daughters, because every day play with, and this is a cot, and you can see this is a bed sheet. So the bed sheet is spreading on the cot, and this is a pillow and pillow covers, covered and pillow covers, and this is a roof. So the pup work has been done on the ceiling, and we can say roof and ceiling, doesn't matter. And this is a, and that is a fan, so the fan is running now, and there are more curtain hanging on the door. Okay, and this is a that is a window, and that is a mirror, so the mirror hanging on the wall. Okay, you can describe. There are more things everyone house, doesn't matter. Some students many excuse how to practice every day, and so it is not many excuse, and this is more things, so you can describe. That is a wardrobe. Okay, and a water cooler, so the water cooler full of water, and that is a cooker. There are more utensils at here. And I am showing there. So there are more containers, the containers full of spice. Okay, and we can say describe many types. So this video is made only for you, for beginner. Like there are more skills beginners, and we can practice how to practice. There are more things around us, you can practice easily every day. So